How to fix Teams cannot join meeting. To fix the Teams cannot join meeting error, first of all, you simply have to go ahead and then force the link diversion. You simply have to go ahead and copy the meeting link from your email or text invite. Now launch the Teams application on your device, tap on the search bar at the top, and also make sure that you are here within the chat panel. Now once you tap on the search bar, you simply have to paste that specific meeting link or simply open the calendar option over here and tap on the search bar at the top right corner or the magnifying glass, then paste your link or the meeting code over here, and now you simply have to join the meeting itself. Or what you can also do is, first of all, launch your device's app drawer and look at the Teams application icon, long press it until the pop-up panel or window opens up. Tap on this I option to access the app info panel, head to storage and cache and proceed to clear the cache to remove all sorts of corrupted files within the application. Now you simply have to relaunch it and your problem should be fixed. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.